Simple past practice. Pay attention to the questions. Use the clues to give full answers. Then check. See 2 examples. Example 1. What did Mary do in her house last week?
She cleaned her bedroom in her house last week.
Example 2. What did the boys do last weekend?
They played soccer last weekend.
Now you. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. What did Paul do at the club last Saturday?
He played tennis at the club last Saturday.
2. What did they do on Friday morning?
They went shopping on Friday morning.
3. What did Lee do at school last Monday?
He studied English at school last Monday.
4. What did Shayla do last month?
She traveled to Italy last month.
5. What did they do at the park last weekend?
They had a picnic at the park last weekend.
6. What did the girls do on Friday?
They went to a party on Friday.
7. What did James do last weekend?
He washed his car last weekend.
8. What did Earl do a month ago?
He saw a movie a month ago.
9. What did your parents do last year?
They traveled to Brazil last year.
10. What did they do on their last vacation?
They visited family on their last vacation.